welcome to the mix. And on the mix today we have Dwayne, and now he's playing a clip from Tina Chin. Now you just have to listen to what she has to say and the comments that Dwayne have to make on this clip. And remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget, it's Mix Up and Blend Up. Have a wonderful day, as always.
And thrive, okay?
Pause. The reason why I started it here, right? I want only to get a full understanding and grasp as to where she's coming from. So, I could have go to the nitty gritty part, but I said, no. I'm going to start it right just so only can understand exactly what she's trying to say and this ask. And on the backside.
Well, Mary and Tina Chin Walters don't like that. I don't like it for the simple fact that I didn't deserve that, you know? And I can understand, yeah, as if, exactly. Melly, they're behaving as if the damage that they have done, you know, they felt like, okay, I damaged her, but I've moved on in life. Move on too. You should just move on to Tina. Move on. You should just move on to. They feel like the damage will disappear. You know, the damage that they came to me and caused will just disappear. It doesn't work like that. You don't unfairly pick on somebody. You don't unfairly threaten somebody. You don't unfairly troll somebody for an entire year and think it's going to be forgotten. Yeah? You don't think it's going to be forgotten. No. It's not like it's a one-time conversation or a one-time disagreement or a one-time argument. We're talking about an entire year, in some cases, of trolling by these individuals. An entire year. A lot can happen in a year. Okay? Babies are born in a year. People acquire certificates and degrees and stuff like that. It's the person who was the victim of this yearly trolling is the one who remembers it because they were the victim or they are the victim. So it's not a situation of, okay, let's move on and forget it. I have moved on. No. Now, in the case of Esther Rowe,
Troubles?
right, I've never addressed Esther Rowe in reference to her false accusations. I've never addressed her. Never. As much as it's been out there, I heard about it, but I never addressed her. Never. Because I was so shook by the pure evil of what Esther Rowe did that I couldn't believe that people believed it. And people ran with the story. That's how much it shook me up. Like, what? What? You understand what I'm saying? So, I couldn't understand. I was trying to process it. You know, and then I started to question my own sanity. Like, wait, I'm there to mock somebody? Because, how could you just get up and tell such a blatant lie on somebody and just going about your business? Like, you know what a lie can do. And I hate liars. But what I realize is that a liar has no conscience, yeah? They just lie and go on about their business and just think tomorrow's Tuesday. You know, it's a regular day to them. Liars do that. Liars have no conscience. And, you know, sure, there are a lot of people that are lied on a regular basis, and some of them, they can move on with their lives like nothing happened. But in my case, somebody like me, who had been through a lot, I've been through a lot, and I've been innocently rebuilding my life. And to face this, to face these lies on a regular basis, because of these individuals, it will not be forgotten so easily. You know, that's trauma upon top of trauma upon top of trauma. Not forgetting the damage to my image. Okay? Because people actually believe that.
Speak your mind.
Because I'm sure you've heard them say, in reference to, oh, so she got a girl fired and blah, blah, blah.
Pause. I forgot to tell you guys, speak your minds. Be open. Do so freely without hinges. Oh, yes, sir. None of my admins can block any of you, right? The only way you're going to be blocked is if you're disrespectful to me. Admin knows so no one get blocked. So just talk on the mind and just go on with the business when I'm done. Yeah? All right.
And you know what kills me about it too? She not only lied, claiming that I got her terminated. This fool, on top of everything else, Esther Rowe then joined other people and created, you know that meme when they said, in the meme they say, you know, like all of these people come together and create a pack of haters, and before you know it, that's my life. That's the story of my life in every life. That's the story of my life. Why? One person hate me, the other person, them not really like them one of them, you know. But them just come together for one common thing, and the one common thing is me. You know, hating me. That's the common thing. Okay. So, Esther Rowe, I'm giving you until the end of this month to issue me a public apology. And if you don't issue me a public apology, I am going to see you in court. Because you're going to have to prove to me and to the court that I got you fired. You're going to have to prove to the court. The last I knew of you was that you were living somewhere in Florida. Where in Florida you lived, I don't know. You are my daughter's age, which is why I didn't get into it with you, because it would be petty and irresponsible on my part to get into it with somebody who's my daughter's age. You know, the only thing I have ever directed towards Esther after I heard what she did, and it wasn't the first time she trolled me. That was just the top of it. That was just the tip of the iceberg. That was it. That was just, you know. She has trolled me before that, and me and her, I exchanged words with her, but not in a slanderous way. I spoke to her like a mother should. And I said to her, Esther Rowe, you are, I think at the time she was 23 or 24. I said, you are 23 or 24 years old. You are the age of my daughter. My daughters have cars. You know, they're living their lives. They're out there making mistakes in life because of their age. Right? I said, you need to do the same and get off of social media and stop trolling me. That's just who I am, you know? In Esther's case, I spoke to her with nothing but advice because she was my daughter's age. Okay? It's a pity my own page not there anymore, because I could probably find the videos of me talking to her like a mother. And, you know, and that's what I said to her. You need to go get a job, go out there, get a car, go live. You're too young to be on the internet in a pasa. You understand me? You're what, 23, 24? Go start a business if you can't get a job.